The 14th annual Fish Fry is here. Bob and Betty Marino and friends fish the Pacific, then prepare the best dinner you ever ate. January 26th at Chagru's. Enjoy all-you-can-eat salmon, rock cod, petroli sole, calamari. Not a fish fan? Enjoy chicken, barbecue ribs, and so much more. Cocktails at 2, dinner served from 3 to 7. Purchase tickets at Havasu Fitness or Chagru's or call Bob. Proceeds benefit Interact, Havasu Haven, United Way, Hospice, Nova, and Havasu Community Health Foundation. The 14th annual Fish Fry and Barbecue at Chagru's, January 26th. Come hungry. This weekend, Main Street turned into a blocks-long new car showroom. Dealers from all over Mojave County brought their shiny new vehicles to McCulloch Boulevard. The show, sponsored by Murphy Broadcasting, gave folks a chance to see just about every make and model from lots of different manufacturers. All in all, a weekend-long chance to kick the tires and maybe even find that car of your dreams. The show runs through Sunday. Jim Matthews, Havasu Video News.